Aloha! In this video, I'm going to cover basic TV operations. So first of all, this condo is equipped with cable TV. We have a channel lineup card right here that goes over all the different channels available and the number that they associate with each. I keep that right here in this drawer, taped to the bottom, so you can look in there and see that, for example, Fox is channel 2. Okay? All right. So every TV in this house is the same model. It has the same cable box, so all of these instructions I give you should work the same in every room. So first thing to notice is in this particular room, our equipment's located down there in the left-hand side of the TV cabinet. So whenever you want to use your remote, that's kind of the direction you want to point it at, okay? So you're gonna have two remotes in every room. You're gonna have a TV remote, which is the smaller one, that controls the TV, the volume, and the inputs on the actual screen. And then you have the cable box remote. That's going to change your channels when you're watching cable TV. It also will control the TV as well. So first thing we're going to do is just cover the basics on how to watch TV. So the first item is you take this TV remote and you hit the power button, which is located in the upper right hand corner. You may see this message when you first turn it on. It says no signal, cable TV. That's because the cable box is turned off. So in order to fix that, you want to take the larger remote, the cable remote, hit the CBL button up here in the top right underneath the power button to make sure that's the active function. And then point the remote down and hit the power. And the cable box will turn on and start sending signal to the TV. So I'm going to go ahead and mute this real quick here. All right, so what you want to do is use this blue button in the middle of the arrows to hit Watch TV. And then you can use the buttons to change the channel, or you can hit the guide button here and see the guide. All these things you're probably familiar with in terms of how to use the cable box here. All right, so what this TV can also do in addition to cable is it has a bunch of different smart TV functions. You can use Netflix, Amazon, all that type of stuff. You're welcome to set up your account on the TV. However, I don't really recommend it because then you're going to want to make sure you take it off at the end, and that otherwise somebody else would potentially be able to use your account. So the easiest thing to do if you want to stream content from Netflix or Amazon is you can Chromecast it. That's built into the TV. So in order to Chromecast, you need to switch to a different input here. The input button on the TV remote, once again the smaller one, is the top left. When you push it, you see 3 inputs. You should see 3 inputs. Cable TV is the one lit up. That's the one that's active. If you hit it again, you'll see SmartCast. And then it'll take you to the TV menu here. All right. Now, at this point, you can, on your phone, you should be able to stream some content and see the little Chromecast icon there. And you'll see a list of TVs on your phone when you touch it on your phone. And Family Room TV is this one. You can hit Family Room TV and it'll start casting that content on your TV. So that's what I would recommend as opposed to actually setting up your Netflix account or your Amazon account or something like that and then having to worry about taking it off when you leave. All right, so those are the basics when it comes to using the TV. One thing to note is that I have this all set up to where when you hit the input button, it only has 3 up here: Cable TV, SmartCast, and Watch Free. Watch Free I couldn't get rid of. But essentially, it could be that somebody had reset the TV to factory defaults and you'll see like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3. If you see that, don't panic. HDMI 1 should be the cable box. So in other words, HDMI 1 would be what you want to have selected up here when you hit the input button in order to watch cable TV. All right, if you have any other questions about that, you can feel free to text me and contact me per the instructions over there on our little welcome sheet. Thanks, guys.